Hello, people, and we're gonna rate superheroes if I can beat them in the fight. I'm sorry, what? What? Who is this? Oh, I think this is Cyclops. Uh, yeah, I'm not defeating that man. Roles for this, I start off with a knife. Spider-Man, I have no chance. Also, no chance. Mm, Maybe he's just a regular guy. Let's put him in A. Maybe I beat him. Maybe I'll beat him. Maybe I'll beat him. Batman? By the way, we're doing 20 of them because Batman, he's a regular man, but he's rich. Also, he has gadgets. Cool. Thor, I don't think I need to say nothing. Wonder Woman, I don't think I need to say nothing. Superman, hmm, I don't think I need to say nothing. Hulk, he's a day one menace. No. Green Lantern, yes. That's just like Wolverine. Yes. Gee. The Winter Soldier? I don't know, but if it's Winter Soldier or is it Cyborg or something, I'm getting beat up. But put him in C. Better than wherever that person is. It's Green Lantern. He's just a regular old degular man. I'm a kid, so he'd probably be in the C tier. He can, but if I. Oh, a knife? Yes. Do I need to say nothing about that? We're just gonna move to Hawkeye. No. Who's that? She looks like Hawkeye, but I'm gonna put you up here because we have 18. So two more. These people, I don't know who they are. Aquaman, obviously. We're gonna do two more. Black Widow's easy dub for me. Actually, she's going up here. She's going up here. You, Flash, and I'm getting destroyed. We have lost.